Hi there, Michael from Halo Inc. Here to show you how to remove some vinyl off your storefront window or even your vehicle. So just an example, if this vinyl has been here for quite some time, if it's not directly in sunlight, it gets a bit difficult to remove. So we want to create our own heat to loosen up the adhesive to get the vinyl off your surface. So you want to take, either a heat gun or a blowtorch and just lightly heat over your vinyl. And therefore it becomes easier to release, and you're able to peel off your vinyl. And the longer the vinyl has been on your surface, the longer you want to keep your heat directly onto your vinyl to release the adhesive. So this vinyl isn't that old at all, so we barely had to hit it with heat, and it's coming right off. And just like that, that'll help you remove any vinyl that you need to remove.